Josh White with JW Math Tutoring here. This video is just going to briefly talk about this playlist, Digital SAT Math 800, which is a series of videos designed for those who are aiming to earn either a perfect score on the Digital SAT Math section or a score, above 750, 770, so on in that range. So these are not necessarily for, say, a student who is looking to improve from, like, say, a 500 to a 600, or even from a 600 to a 700. These are for students who are looking to score, in the top, 1%, 2%, whatever, 3%, 5% of math scores. Anyways, so there's obviously a tips video, 5 specific tips that I believe you need to do in order to maximize your digital SAT math score. Second, there are going to be numerous compilation videos of extremely hard digital SAT math problems. Now, these are mainly just cut up from my official problem test worksheet videos that are already out there and already made for each month. So, for example, the current the current playlist with all the problems dating back to May of 2024 has 413 problems in it, among all the videos. But here I'm basically pulling out 50 of the hardest videos for 2024, 50, or not videos, hardest problems, 50 of the hardest problems for 2025, and then eventually it'll be added on for 2026 and so on. And I also plan to add, just include basically kind of maybe like a separate Desmos video as well, focusing solely on the advanced super hard problems. But again, it will most likely just be material that's going to be compiled from my existing Ultimate Desmos Guide to Digital SAT Math. So just want to give a brief little explanation about the purpose of this playlist, and happy studying for the Digital SAT Math section.